Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the font files you need and placing them in one accessible folder. Open FontBook now and choose File Add Fonts, or simply double-click /OTF/ and click Install. Once done, review the collection list and create a new collection for project-specific fonts so you avoid clutter. Make sure to install for current user unless you want system-wide availability. Installing system-wide requires admin rights and affects all accounts, so consider scope before proceeding. Now you organize and test the fonts. In FontBook, drag fonts into a collection for quick access and run Validate Font from the File menu to catch corruption. Remove any flagged files. Activate only the fonts you need to reduce app load times and avoid duplicate name conflicts. If an app doesn't see a font, restart the app or log out and back in. You can also enable fonts temporarily for a session, deactivate them when you finish to keep things tidy. Finally, use the fonts in your design or document apps. Choose the family and wait in the app's type menu and apply tracking, kerning, or ligatures as needed. If a font is missing, check FontBook for duplicates and validate again. Remove older versions. If problems persist, clear the font caches using terminal commands or reboot your Mac, and consider reinstalling the problematic font. One key troubleshooting tip: disable third-party.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.